You're asking me? After what you did?
So, walang alam? Otto, you posted this sa GC natin na section Nara. Familiar?
Enough, Raven!
Alam, hindi ko nag-post yan.
You edited the classroom CCTV. Edited the video to make it look like what? Gusto kita? How dare you make a fool of me, Angel? Sasip magkakagusto sa katulad mo.
Alex, can you please calm down? Kanina pa kami maghapon magkasama ni AJ. Baka hindi ma-upload yan. At saka, hindi namin alam yung lie detector game niya.
Shut up, Zion! For all I know, kasali ka rin dito. And perhaps, Angel is really smart, di ba? For sure, naisip niyang magawa tong lahat. Para ipahiya ako.
Hindi ko pala. Hindi ko pala gawin.
Hindi nga ba? You have all the reasons to do this to me. Huwag ka na mag-deny.
Let's go, Alex. We'll take care of Zion. Okay, Angel.
Daddy. Daddy.
Boys. Ginagawa mo dyan. Uy! Uy! Boy! Alex! Okay ka lang! Uy! Uy! Hoy! Zion! Yari ka! Tuloy mo sila! Hoy! Sige! Go!
Handshake! Shot 1, 2, 3! Take 1, cue 1! Audio 2!
Okay ka lang? Sure?